Louisiana, a state deeply rooted in history, culture, and natural beauty, offers a rich tapestry of experiences for visitors to explore. From the vibrant streets of New Orleans' French Quarter to the sprawling plantations along the Mississippi River, Louisiana presents a diverse range of attractions and activities. Indulge in the tantalizing flavors of Cajun and Creole cuisine, immerse yourself in the intoxicating rhythms of jazz and blues, and venture into the mysterious swamps and bayous that teem with unique wildlife. Hi everyone, I'm Amber with Greater Travel, and Louisiana is where it's at for warm hospitality, colorful heritage, and enchanting landscapes. Come discover a state that embraces its past while embracing the present, offering a truly unforgettable experience for all who venture here. At the heart of Louisiana's vibrant offerings lies the iconic French Quarter in New Orleans. Stepping into this historic neighborhood is like entering a different world, where the spirit of the city comes alive through its charming streets and lively atmosphere. The French Quarter boasts a captivating blend of European elegance, Southern charm, and a lively Caribbean influence. Stroll along the narrow, balconied streets where centuries-old architecture and colorful buildings transport you to another era. Immerse yourself in the melodies of jazz that fill the air, with renowned music venues and street performers offering a captivating soundtrack. Indulge in the flavors of the city, savoring Creole and Cajun dishes at renowned restaurants and sipping classic cocktails like the Sazerac or the famous Hurricane. Explore the unique shops, art galleries, and boutiques that showcase the vibrant culture and craftsmanship of the region. With its intoxicating mix of history, music, cuisine, and celebration, the French Quarter is an essential stop on any Louisiana itinerary, offering an unforgettable experience for visitors from near and far. No discussion of Louisiana's offerings would be complete without mentioning the world-renowned celebration of Mardi Gras. A spectacle of color, music, and revelry, Mardi Gras is an annual carnival that captures the imagination and hearts of both locals and visitors alike. The festivities reach their peak in New Orleans, where the streets come alive with parades, floats, and elaborate costumes. Immerse yourself in the vibrant energy as marching bands fill the air with infectious rhythms and masked revelers toss beads and trinkets to the cheering crowds. Mardi Gras is a time of unabashed indulgence where people come together to celebrate life, dance, and let their spirits soar. From the traditional king cakes to the dazzling display of elaborate floats, Mardi Gras showcases the unique spirit and sense of community that defines Louisiana. Join in the revelry, experience the joyous atmosphere, and create memories that will last a lifetime during this extraordinary celebration. A journey through Louisiana's plantation tours is a captivating exploration of the state's complex history and architectural grandeur. Along the majestic Mississippi River, these historic plantations offer a glimpse into the antebellum era, showcasing the opulent lifestyles of the wealthy plantation owners and the labor of enslaved individuals who played a vital role in shaping the region. Step back in time as you wander through the grand mansions adorned with Greek Revival or Creole architectural styles, surrounded by lush gardens and sprawling oak trees. Guided tours provide a fascinating narrative of plantation's history, sharing stories of both triumphs and hardships. From the iconic Oak Alley Plantation with its impressive avenue of ancient oaks to the Laura Plantation, known for its insightful Creole heritage, each plantation offers a unique perspective on Louisiana's past. These tours provide an opportunity to reflect upon the complexities of history while appreciating the architectural beauty and gaining a deeper understanding of the diverse cultural heritage that defines Louisiana. Hey, if you've learned something new from this video so far, be sure to click those like and subscribe buttons to let us know, and stay tuned for more interesting information about Louisiana. A visit to the Tabasco Factory on Avery Island is a treat for the senses and a testament to the rich culinary heritage of Louisiana. This small but renowned factory is the birthplace of the world-famous Tabasco hot sauce, a beloved condiment that has made its way into kitchens and dining tables worldwide. As you step inside, you'll be greeted by the tantalizing aroma of peppers and spices that fill the air. Embark on an engaging tour that takes you through the process of making Tabasco sauce, from the cultivation of peppers in the island's lush fields to the careful aging and bottling techniques. Learn about the history of the McElhenney family who have been producing Tabasco sauce for over a century and gain insight into their commitment to quality and tradition. Marvel at the vintage machinery and artifacts that highlight the evolution of this iconic brand. Before you leave, be sure to visit the Tabasco Country Store, where you can find an array of Tabasco products from the classic red sauce to unique variations like chipotle or garlic pepper. A trip to the Tabasco Factory is a true pilgrimage for hot sauce enthusiasts, offering a delightful blend of history, flavors, and the chance to witness the magic behind the beloved Louisiana condiment. Embarking on a swamp tour in Louisiana is a thrilling and immersive adventure into the state's untamed wilderness. As you venture into the captivating bayous and swamps, you'll enter a realm teeming with unique wildlife and breathtaking natural beauty. Board a flat-bottomed boat or an airboat and glide through the calm waters surrounded by dense cypress trees draped in Spanish moss. Expert guides navigate through the labyrinthine waterways, sharing their knowledge of the ecosystem and pointing out fascinating creatures along the way. Keep your eyes peeled for alligators basking in the sun, graceful herons wading through the marshes, and turtles sunning themselves on logs. The eerie yet enchanting ambiance of the swamps is truly captivating as the sounds of chirping birds and croaking frogs fill the air. Whether you choose a daytime tour to admire the scenic vistas or a thrilling night tour to witness the swamp's nocturnal inhabitants, a swamp tour in Louisiana is an unforgettable experience that brings you closer to the untamed beauty of nature. The National World War II Museum in New Orleans is a must-visit destination for history enthusiasts and those seeking a deeper understanding of one of the most significant events of the 20th century. As you step into the museum, you are immediately transported back in time to the era of World War II. The museum's extensive collection of artifacts, exhibits, and interactive displays provides a comprehensive and immersive experience. Explore the different galleries that highlight the major theaters of the war from the Pacific to Europe and delve into the personal stories of the men and women who served. Walk through life-sized replicas of war zones, step inside a submarine, or board an authentic World War II aircraft. The museum's commitment to preserving and sharing the stories of this pivotal moment in history is evident in its attention to detail and educational resources. The National World War II Museum offers a poignant and enlightening journey through the triumphs and challenges of the war, ensuring that the sacrifices and heroism of those who lived through it are never forgotten. Avery Island Jungle Gardens, nestled in the heart of Louisiana's Avery Island, is a serene oasis that beckons nature lovers and avid garden enthusiasts. This captivating destination boasts sprawling botanical gardens that showcase the incredible biodiversity of the region. As you wander through the well-manicured paths, you'll be enchanted by the vibrant colors and fragrant scents that surround you. Marvel at the stunning azalea displays in the spring as the gardens come alive with a riot of pink, white, and purple blooms. Discover the tranquility of bamboo forests where towering stalks sway gently in the breeze. Keep your eyes and ears open for the diverse bird species that call this sanctuary home, including egrets, herons, and the elusive spoonbill. The Avery Island Jungle Gardens offer a picturesque retreat from the bustling world, allowing visitors to connect with nature's beauty and find solace in the peaceful surroundings. Immerse yourself in the vibrant tapestry of Cajun and Creole culture at Vermilionville, a captivating living history museum located in Lafayette. Step back in time as you wander through the recreated Acadian village, which transports you to the 18th and 19th centuries. Engage with costumed interpreters who bring history to life through their demonstrations of traditional crafts such as woodwork, weaving, and blacksmithing. Explore the charming homes filled with authentic artifacts and furnishings and gain a deeper understanding of the daily lives and customs of the Acadian settlers. The rhythms of Louisiana come alive as you listen to the soulful melodies of Cajun and Creole music performed by talented musicians. Indulge in the flavors of the region at the on-site restaurant where classic dishes like gumbo and jambalaya tantalize your taste buds. Vermilionville provides a captivating window into the past, offering a rich and immersive experience that celebrates the unique heritage and traditions of Cajun and Creole culture. The Louisiana State Capitol in Baton Rouge stands tall as a remarkable symbol of the state's political history and architectural grandeur. As the tallest state capitol building in the United States, it commands attention with its majestic presence. A visit to this iconic landmark offers a fascinating glimpse into Louisiana's political heritage. Take a guided tour to explore the opulent interiors adorned with marble, intricate murals, and stunning stained glass windows. Learn about the state's legislative process, governors, and significant events that have shaped Louisiana's history. Ascend to the observation deck and be rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views of Baton Rouge and the scenic Mississippi River. The Louisiana State Capitol is not only a testament to the state's governance, but also a testament to its enduring beauty and rich cultural heritage. Louisiana's vibrant music scene comes alive in its renowned jazz and music festivals, providing unforgettable experiences for music lovers from around the world. The New Orleans Jazz and Heritage Festival, affectionately known as Jazz Fest, is a legendary event that showcases a diverse array of musical genres, including jazz, blues, gospel, R&B, and more. From the soulful melodies of local legends to international headliners, the festival features live performances that stir the soul and ignite the spirit of New Orleans. Another notable festival is the Festival International de Louisiane, held in Lafayette, which celebrates the rich cultural heritage of Louisiana through music, dance, and art. Experience the energetic rhythms of Cajun, Zydeco, and world music performed by talented artists from Louisiana and beyond. The festival's vibrant street parades, delicious cuisine, and lively atmosphere create an immersive celebration of Louisiana's unique cultural fusion. Whether you find yourself in New Orleans or Lafayette, attending a jazz or music festival is an opportunity to immerse yourself in the sounds, rhythms, and infectious energy of Louisiana's rich musical heritage. Louisiana's diverse array of attractions, places, and things to do offer a captivating journey through history, culture, and natural wonders. From the lively streets of the French Quarter to the enchanting swap tours, from the captivating plantations to the flavors of Cajun cuisine, Louisiana has something to offer for every traveler. Whether you're drawn to the pulsating beats of jazz, the thrill of Mardi Gras festivities, or the serenity of botanical gardens, this remarkable state invites you to immerse yourself in its vibrant spirit. Louisiana's warmth, hospitality, and captivating landscapes create a truly unforgettable experience that will leave you with lasting memories and a deep appreciation for its rich heritage. Come and discover the wonders of Louisiana, where the past intertwines with the present and every corner reveals a new adventure. If you like this video and you want to see more similar content, subscribe to Greater Travel and click the bell to be notified when future videos are uploaded. Be sure to comment, "I subscribed," and we will do our best to respond to everyone who does. Thanks for watching. Come back next time to discover your journey.